Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk about this awesome product from a company called Beva. This is a 15 outlet 4 USB power strip tower surge protector. That's right, it is 15 outlets, kind of 5 on this side, 5 on this side, and 5 over here. So tons of outlets, as well as 4 additional USB power ports to power or charge devices, which is great. Has a nice little on-off switch down here at the bottom. And it's in that tower format, so it does not take up a lot of space, which is awesome. Let's take a quick look at the bottom. Look at that footprint. It doesn't take up a lot of space at all. And while we're there, you got 4 rubber feet on the bottom. That's going to make sure this stays in place and doesn't slide around on you, which is great. Now, in addition to that, you're probably thinking, what about the cord? That cord is so short. How are you going to get it to an outlet? Well, here's one of the coolest things about this is, look at that. This is retractable. This is a little over 5 foot long cord, so you'll easily be able to get it to your outlet, but you don't have to have extra cord, because the cord you don't use, you just wind back up in there. And that way you don't have this, if you only need 3 feet, you don't have, a long 5 foot cord taking up, just laying around the house. You can get it the exact length you need, which is awesome. You do also have these 4 USB power ports. They are 5 volt, 2.4 amps each, so they will fast charge most devices. And what else is great about that is you have this little slot up here on the top, and that's to put your device. You can just plug your phone in here to charge, and then set your phone up here so it can be sitting up here while it's charging. You've got 2 of those, one on each side, so that is really cool as well. Really great design. You can see I had a place where I just had tons of cords and then a traditional big old power strip surge protector, and it was just taking up so much space on a hutch where I had a bunch of tools and things, and I was like, there's got to be a better way to do this. And I now, as you can see, I've installed this, and I'm using this for that, and it works great. Helps clear up a lot of space, takes up so much less space, and actually gives me more power ports than what I had before. So it works really, really great. This is also available in white, so you can get the black or the white depending on what works for where you're going to put it and what looks best. But really excellent. It has a total of 1250 watts of output, and you do get the 900 Joule Surge Protection, as well as overload protection, as well as this is made from flame retardant material. So you're getting a product that is high quality and that is going to be safe and keep your product safe and provide you all the outlets and USB ports you need to power a ton of devices without taking up hardly any space. And that's what is really awesome about this tower power strip from Beva, and why it is definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorites playlist to keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.